All right, we're starting our bacon muffin. We start out with a nice hot pan, sprayed with a bit of pan spray. And sear off our 2 pieces of Canadian bacon or deli style ham in there just to get them warm. Get those good and hot, and we'll use the same pan to cook our eggs in. While we're doing this, we have our muffin toasting away. Then we have 30 grams of egg whites, 1 whole egg, fry this to whatever degree of doneness you prefer. Trying to keep it roughly the size of our English muffin here. Since we're going pretty egg white heavy, poke a couple holes, let those whites run to the bottom so we're not overcooking the stuff that is touching the pan. Here we go, finishing off our bacon and egg muffin. So we're going to take our ham, lovingly layer it in the bottom of our toasted English muffin. Beautifully cooked egg right on top. Close the lid, give her a slice. Ooey gooey goodness.